Hello students, so today we are going to see the important topics from the chapter Semiconductor and Electronic Devices for CBSE board exam. So the first topic which is important from this chapter is energy band in semiconductor insulators and conductors. The conduction band and valence band in semiconductors, insulators and conductors, and the the forbidden energy gap of semiconductor insulators and conductors. Also you can see the Fermi energy level from this topic. The next topic which is important is is current versus voltage characteristics, that is IV characteristics of a PN junction diode, along with the working of PN junction diode, that is the biasing of PN junction diode when it is forward biased and reverse biased. Okay, when a PN junction is forward biased and reverse biased, the current versus voltage characteristics along with the graph, you'll have to see this topic. Okay, the next topic which is important is how PN junction is used in a half and full wave rectifier. How can we use a PN junction diode in a half wave and full wave rectifier? Okay, so you'll have to see the diagram along with the graph for this topic. Okay, that is the diagram of half wave and full wave rectifier along with the graph. Okay, this is an important topic. This is a very important topic. You will have to see this topic. Okay, for 5 marks. So the next important topic for your board exam is transistor as an amplifier. In common emitter configuration. How can we use a transistor as an amplifier in common emitter configuration, that is when the emitter is grounded. Okay, also you can see the transistor parameters in this topic, that is the alpha and beta value. Okay, and the value and the IC and IB and what is the relationship between IC, IE and IB. Okay, in this topic. So this is also an important topic. The next topic which is important is operations using logic gates. The various operations using logic gates. The logic gates like AND, OR, NAND, NOT, XOR gates. Okay, so when various logic gates are connected together, what is the output of the final combination along with the truth table. So this is also an important topic. Okay, so we have seen the important topic from this chapter, that is semiconductor and electronic devices. So if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.